morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you're notified whenever I make a video. So guys, it is Saturday, April 8th. So it's like Holy Saturday. So right now I'm actually trying to wash the dishes, and then I'm gonna clean the fridge, hopefully. So I was supposed to clean the fridge from like Holy Thursday, and I did not get around to it. After I finished washing up the dishes and all of that, I was just so tired, so I didn't. So as you guys see, I'm gonna try to get that done. This is like a spring cleaning kind of vlog, something like that. I don't really have that much cleaning except for the kitchen to do. So yes, that's what I'm trying to do right now. Quite a few plates to wash, that's what you can see. So I just want to run those off quickly. And then later on, after I'm finished with the kitchen, I have my hair to wash because it needs to be washed. So, Shan, you good? Yeah. Ain't nobody want none of that.
You don't know. Look how many persons are going to say, "Oh, it's terrible."
I think they're going to say oranges.
Alright, comment down below. Purple or orange?
We are at our destination. Alright guys, so as I was saying, I hope you guys are hearing me. So we have got to our destination. So we're here to attend a party, so we're only here for like one day. Yeah, so we're going home tomorrow. We're going back home tomorrow. So yeah, so just chilling with the friends. So yeah. my sister and my friend and some other persons, they went on the road to get some stuff, I think. I didn't go because while I was coming down, I had the motion sickness. I kind of have some driving sickness sometimes. It's like I can't drive for too long, and then it's swing. Well, if I can't, then I just can't manage. So anyways, I didn't go because my stomach was kind of still upset. So yeah, I feel much better, to be honest. So yeah, I need to charge the phone though. I should set it down and charge from now. Like, I'm going to use the time charge it because I don't want later. Because I'm gonna take picture, but I want later when you have to take picture. The battery done. Oi. Huh? No. Okay. Alright. So we gonna grab the charger so I can charge the phone. The lighting in this house though, it's so good. So yes. We're gonna have to stay overnight because it's like far from our house, so we're gonna stay overnight. And so yeah. Look at the lighting in this place. Ooh. This is Sky, guys. Hi, Sky. Such a cutie. It's moments like these, guys, I've always just wanted a puppy. So, I didn't trim Sky now. If you guys remember, I did vlog him the last time I came here. Didn't trim Sky. I'm earth for Sky. I'm gonna insert a picture of Sky right here. The last time I saw him. So, her. And she's fluffy. I'm a little fluffy dog. I don't like bag of dog. They should be cute and fluffy. But anyways, then trim her. So, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna change right now. Because if I think it starts at 2 and it's like after 3. So I need to like get changed and stuff. So, I'm gonna try my clothes. That was really cold, so I carried my sweater. Not cold, so I don't really need it. Alright, so this is what I carried. I carried this white crop top to wear. It's not gonna really look like a crop top because of the pants. Pants kind of high waist. So that. And then they call them fancy or cargo. I don't even know, but it's in blue. Soldier print. I call them soldier print. I don't know how to print to call them. So this is what it is. One of these pants. Never worn it before, so excited. And it crush up on my iron. You're disturbing my vlog. And then I got my white sneakers. So that's the fit. Baby, calm down. Calm down. Yes, baby. Thank you.
That's a carry one.
Yeah, you can't see how we keep it in bag like a food.
Honestly, we think that's what we bought. Not the attention.
Alright, so that's the outfit. And then yesterday I bought these so I could wear it. And I got my hoops. I got my gold hoops. I bought these yesterday from one of my church sisters. Look at the bag close. So it's some white beads thingies. So I'm gonna wear those instead of these. So I'm gonna take off these. And then I'm gonna keep on my chain because I don't have any other ones. So I think my sister have my anklet to put on. But yeah, that's the fit. So I need to put on my clothes. I also need to fix my hair, which I might have to use the phone for the mirror because there's no mirror in here. So we're gonna get changed. So yes, that's that. So I'm ready. Christian, I don't look at Shani. She must have people them bro. Mash up people them bro, yeah. Hey Shan.
Hi.
What's up?
I'm just getting rid of some of the excessive stuff.
Okay.
I'm driving now.
Alright guys, so party finished pretty much. I'm gonna set my clothes. Ice cream. Oh my god.
What are we talking about here?
Good morning, Auntie Shan.
I feel like I somehow we have school next week, every time I'm trying to feel like some.
It feels summery. Feels real summery. Outside is bright and sunny. Good morning, guys. So I'm gonna shower right now and then get ready because we have to leave today. Hey guys, so I just showered. So we're leaving today. As I said, I was going to shower, so I showered and put on my clothes. Comb my hair. Yeah, I never want kind of to catch up me a bit tight because my head was killing me yesterday. So I didn't want to have the pain today again. So I didn't catch it up too tight. So that's all I did. Yeah, so yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because I think I have enough content and I don't think anything else will be happening today. So I will be seeing you guys in another vlog because I have another adventure before we go back to school. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.